How to connect your Samsung Galaxy A23 with a Samsung Smart TV. Now, the first thing you want to do is be sure that both the phone and the Samsung Smart TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi router to make this possible. And the feature on your phone you are using is the Smart View feature. So when you're ready to connect to the TV itself, you'll use the quick panel access on your A23 phone, look for Smart View, you will long press it. You'll get this prompt here if it's your first time, and then press next and then give it permission. So just press continue. Hopefully your location is turned on at the moment on your phone. If not, turn it on. And while it's searching, you'll see your Samsung TV name there. You'll tap on that one time. You'll get the start now prompt. And as you hit that, it'll run the connecting for you. And if you pay attention to the top right of your Samsung Smart TV there, you'll notice that there's a prompt asking you to allow your A23 phone to connect. And of course, with your remote control for the TV, you want to press OK or accept it. And that's that. You should be full on connected with your A23 phone. You have the option to change the aspect ratio when it's your first time. And you can always come back and change the aspect ratio when you're ready to do so with this option right there. That little floating icon is going to give you the option to pause it, change it, or even disconnect it when you're ready. And of course, if you want the landscape mode here, just be sure that your phone is set to auto rotate so that whenever you switch it over to the landscape mode, it will appear in landscape mode on your smart TV as well. All right. And that's pretty much it for this video tutorial. Of course, if it doesn't work the first time, go ahead and restart your phone. Also, try to disconnect both the TV and the phone from your Wi-Fi and then reconnect it again and then try the process again. And of course, the the connection and the smoothness of this smart view will determine on how well your Wi-Fi connection is. All right, so like, share, sub, and thanks for watching.